beings can control a lot of things that is happening around the world. दिनै बुहुमाव जानाय गासै जाथायफोरखौ मानसिया दमन खालामनो हागौ, दबथायनो हागौ. But human beings cannot control when you live and when you die. नाथाय मानसिया गावखौ गोथाङै थानायाव आरो थैनायखौबो दबथायनो हाया. The Bible says only God can create life. बाइबेला बेखौ बुंदों, इसोराल'सो जिउ होनो हायो. God decided when you should be born. इसोरा बेबायदि थांखि खालामबाय नों मब्ला जोनोम जानांगोन. That is why you are here. आरो बे कारननि थाखायनो नोंथाङा दिनै बेयाव दङ. Only God can decide when you should die. इसोराल'सो थांखि खालामनो हागोन फंबायफोरखौ नोंथाङा मब्ला थैनो नांगौ. That is why your life is precious, because your life is created by God. बेनिखायनो नोंथांनि जिउखौ बा नोंथांखौ इसोरासो बानायदों. बेनिखायनो जोङो इसोरनि खाथियाव थांनांगोन. Your life comes with a cost. बेनिखायनो नोंथांनि जिउनि बेसेनाबो इसोरनिफ्राय जानानै फैयो. When Jesus says follow me, जेब्ला जिसुआ बुंदोंमोन आंनि उन फै होननानै, he requires that each one of you pay a price. बेबायदि बुंनानै जिसुआ बेखौसो बुंनांबायदोंमोन दे नोंथांमोन बयबो साफ्रोमबो बेसेन होनो नांगोन. When Jesus says follow me, he definitely knows that you will lose a lot of things. जेब्ला जिसुआ बेबायदि बुंदोंमोन जे आंनि उन फै होननानै, जिसुआ हसानो मिथिदोंमोन जे गावनि उन सोरबा थाङोब्ला बे थांग्रा मानसिफ्रा माबा मोनसे खोमानो गोनां जागोन होननानै. He most definitely knows that it can cost your jobs, it can cost your careers, it can cost your family, it can cost your close friends. आरो जिसुआ बे बाथ्राखौ मिथिदोंमोन जे सोरबा गावनि उन थाङोब्ला बे थांग्रा मानसिफ्रा साकरि नागारनो गोनां जानो हागौ, नखर परियाल गारनो गोनां जानो हागौ. But he assures you that what he can give you is nothing compared to what the world can ever give. Jesus' disciple, if you are a follower of Jesus, you need to carry your own cross.
नोंथाङा जुदि जिसुनि सेलाब्ला नोंथाङा गावनि क्रसखौ बाननानै फैनो नांगोन.
There are three things that Christ demands from you to be his disciples.
जिसुनि सेला जानो थांनायाव जिसुआ नोंथांनिफ्राय मोनथाम खामानि हास्थायदों नागिरदों.
The three things are, he demands all of your mind.
बे मोनथाम बाथ्रानि गेजेराव मोनसेया जाबाय नोंथांनि गासै बोलो.
He demands all of your body. All of your body.
नोंथांनि गासै देहा
and all of your heart.
नोंथांनि गासै गोसो.
These three things.
बे मोनथाम मुवाखौ बेसादखौ.
The problem with many Christians today is that they give their bodies to Jesus on Sundays.
दिनै जोंनि खृष्टानफोरनि गेजेराव गोबाङानो देवबारखालि गावनि देहाखौ होयो मोदोमखौ होयो जिसुनि मुङाव.
They put their best dresses on Sundays and they all the makeups and go to church on Sundays.
मोजां गाननाय जोमनायखौ गाननानै मेकआपफोर खालामनानै गिर्जायाव देवबारै थाङो.
They give their minds during the morning and the evening time.
फुङावबो आरो मोनानि समावबो गावनि गोसोफोरखौ होयो.
They think if they have done 5 minutes of prayer in the morning and 5 minutes of prayer in the evening, it is okay.
फुङाव जुदि 5 मिनिट प्रार्थना खालामोब्ला मोनायाव जुदि 5 मिनिट प्रार्थना खालामोब्ला बे थोबाय होननानै जों सानो.
But they don't care what happens in between those times.
नाथाय बिथांमोना बे बाथ्राखौ मिथिया जे बे प्रार्थना आरो बे गिर्जाफोरनि गेजेरनि समायाव मा जाबाय थायो.
devil. We do not communicate with the devil.
जोङो मोदाइजों सैतानजों जोङो रायज्लाया बिथांमोनजों बिसोरजों जोङो बाथ्रा बेसेननि दाम दर खालामा.
The Bible never says talk to the devil.
बाइबेला माब्लाबाबो बुङाखै जे मोदाइजों सावराय होननानै.
The Bible only says resist the devil.
बाइबेला बेखौल'सो बुंदों जे बे मोदाइनि हेंथायै गसं.
All the talking and all the negotiation has been done by Jesus.
गासै सावरायनाय रायज्लायनायखौ जिसुआ खालामखाबाय.
And the devil knows that he doesn't have a chance.
आरो मोदायाबो बेखौ मिथिगौ जे मानसिफोरखौ बायनो बेहा खाबु गैया होननानै.
You see, in Luke chapter 14 verse 27, we don't have to turn to that, but yeah. It says, whoever does not bear his own cross and come after me cannot be my disciple. Luke chapter 14 verse 27.
लुकास 14 बालाब 27 सिरियाव बेबायदि बुंदों सोरबा जुदि गावनि क्रसखौ बाननानै